Hello, our lovely learners! If I had known that my friend was in hospital, I would have visited him. If you need to talk about the past and express actions which could have been done in the past and you don't know how to do this, watch this video and increase your English level about the third conditional. After watching this video, as a bonus to help you, we have a free grammar quiz to check for yourself if you understand the rule of using the third conditional correctly. Let's get started. The third conditional is a grammatical structure in English which is used to talk about things that didn't really happen in the past. We use it when imagining different outcomes or expressing regret about something that didn't happen. For example, if I had not been ill, I would have come to your party and had a great time. Let's have a look at some details. In reality, I was invited to my friend's birthday party, but I couldn't go to the party because I was ill. Thinking about this event, I have a feeling of regret because I really wanted to be there. To express my regret, I will use the third conditional. Let's remember that conditionals are sentences that describe results with a particular condition. The if part is showing the situation, which is called the clause or conditional part. And the other part is showing what will happen. This is called the main or result part. How to form the third conditional? We put if at the beginning of the sentences. After that, we add had and the third form of the verb. To the main part, we put would, have, and the third form of the verb to the main part. I will say, if I had not been ill, I would have come to your party and had a great time. My real situation was that I was ill and could not come, but I imagine what might have been in the past, and the third conditional helps me to say it correctly. Another example. I went to the beach, but I forgot to take the sun cream with me. As a result, I needed to leave the beach earlier to avoid getting sunburned. I might say, if I had taken sun cream with me, I would have stayed longer on the beach. The real situation was I didn't take the sun cream with me. So I'm imagining what I might have done if I had taken this cream with me. Don't be confused with other conditionals. The third conditional is always about the past, which can't be changed, and you can only imagine what could have been done and said. Please compare. The first conditional. If I go to the shop, I will buy milk. In this sentence, I am talking about the future, and the situation is real for me. The second conditional. If I went to the shop, I would buy milk. In this sentence, I am talking about the future, but the situation is unreal and unlikely to happen. The third conditional. If I had gone to the shop, I would have bought milk. In this sentence, I am talking about the past and the imaginary situation which is in the past. Now, for the quiz, let me remind you that in the description of this video there is a link. Please follow the link to do the grammar quiz and check for yourself if you understand the grammar rules correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and like, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye.